Hello guys, good morning. Welcome to another video. In today's video, we will be discussing about goat farming. So, welcome to our goat farm. Hello guys, good day. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, we will be discussing about introduction to goat farming. So, as you all know, goat farming is a sunrise industry here in the Philippines because there is a greater demand compared to the supply. There are two business avenues in goat farming wherein maybe you could gain income out of it. The first avenue, business avenue, is for slaughter goat, and the second one is for milk production. What we will be focusing today is about slaughter goat, and we will not be talking for now about foreign goat breeds. We will focus our attention on our native goats. So they said that goats are considered as poor man's cow for the primary reason that goats has a low management cost, and at the same time it has a low capital requirement compared to other farm animals like cows and pigs. So there is a greater potential in business because we don't need commercial feeds for our goat. All we need is a pasture for them to graze on, and we could also plant legumes like ipil-ipil, rensoni, kakawati, and the like that goats wants to eat. So maura gyud na siya ato ang iprepara para sa ato ang goat farm. And then there are three categories in goat farming. The first category is what we call backyard farming, and second is semi-commercial, and third is commercial farming. So when you talk about backyard, you must have at least 5 goats. When you talk about semi-commercial, you must have 5 to 25 goats, and 25 goats up is considered as commercial farming. So for now, nagsugod pa mami aning amo ang kandingan. Before we have 3 bucks, kaso lang giatake sa ero ang duha, patay. So nabilin karon sa amo is usa ka buck, and then we have 4 doe. So kaning amo ang doe na napud sila mga itoy. So we have 4 kid. So tan-aw nimo dali ra kaayo pagpadaghan, dali ra kaayo pagpropagate og kanding. Kaya nga mo ang upat within the year nahimo na ron og nadugangan og upat ka buok kid. So imong tan-awon dali lang gid kaayo because 5 months gestation period naa na dayon kay lain nga kanding. So karon we are waiting. Hopefully few months from now manganak na sad ang amo ang kanding, and I'll do my best to document it. And hope you enjoy the video, and please consider subscribing to my channel, and please click the notification bell so that you will be notified for our upcoming videos. So daghang salamat.